Hey guys, so I'm just outside. I know I said I wouldn't make videos on Sundays, but it's like a vlog thing. I know it's not called the vlog channel or anything, but yeah, I'm gonna be changing it. Like I'm still gonna have my videos and crap and stuff, but I'm just like it's just gonna be changed, like my name and everything. So yeah, but I'm on my bike right now, outside. Like I said, this is a vlog, so don't judge me. Don't judge me, okay? Just don't judge me. And yeah. So earlier today, like 2 minutes ago, a car almost killed me. I was riding on the road trying to like delete stuff to get a good film, and yeah, a car almost killed me. It like literally almost killed me. I was backing up, and then it like stopped. It almost killed me. Literally, it was like an inch away from me. I was like, dude, you gotta slow down. I have a reflector and stuff. How do you not see that? How do they not see that? Cars are stupid. Cars are so stupid to do that. Oh my god. No. Oh yeah, so I was on my rollerblades, and now I'm on my bike. This is my bike. That's a good bike. All those noises and stuff, that's just the Saginaw outdoors. I live in the good part. Don't live in the bad part unless you want to die. Unless you want to die, I would stay in the good part. Just warning you. That's a creepy door. No, I'm scared. I'm gonna go ride now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go back to the corner, and maybe that dog will come back and bark at me because there's this cute little like I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. Ow. So I'm in the outdoors and everything. Yeah, it's fun. It's really fun. Well, that dog might be there. I don't know if that dog's there. Let me see that dog. She's really cute. He or she? I don't know. I'm on my bike no-handed. No, I'm kidding. I'm just kneeling on the bike. I can't go no-handed right now. I can only go without one hand. I'm still practicing no-hand. I haven't a bike in like 2 years. So, I bet you guys are doing good. I'm doing good. So, Doggy's there. Did you see her? She was so cute. Or him. I don't know. It looks like a girl. All dogs to me look like girls. Alright, let me repeat this. Not all dogs. I'm just gonna stop and see if like she sees me. You see her? Isn't she cute? I think it's he. I'm gonna go before I get in trouble. Oh, the hair, she's so cute. Yeah, I know. Oh, I'm just riding on my bike. I might go inside because I'm hurting